Imagine you are the person who invented, let's say, the car. You had this vision of connecting the world of freedom, of progress, and for decades you watched it happen. But then one day you look up and you see traffic jams, pollution, and car accidents happening on a scale you never imagined. And you realize you cannot put that gin back in the bottle. Now replace the car with one of the most powerful technological ever created, and replace the innovator with the name Geoffrey Hinton. In his own words, I created artificial intelligence and now I'm scared of it. Now the question is why? Why would the creator of this world-changing technology be so afraid of his own innovation that he feels that he has to speak out? Whenever we talk about the AI, the first thing that comes to our mind is ChatGPT. But we think that, brother, AI started only in 2023 or 2024. In this video, I have been trying to connect it for a quite long time, thinking, why is that one man who is called the Godfather of AI, who made the major innovation that led to AI, Geoffrey Hinton, has now left everything else and focused on one single thing: spreading awareness about how dangerous AI can be. They will be able to manipulate people, right? And these will be very good at convincing people. And how the big companies, the one doing the most AI development, are not paying any attention to how AI regulation or safety standards should be work. And government so far, no matter which country, are not qualified enough to understand how dangerous AI really is. Let's start with the man himself. Geoffrey Hinton is a British-Canadian computer scientist. He pioneered the use of neural network and deep learning. These are technologies that allow machines to learn from data it always loses inspiration by the human brain. His work made tools like chatbots, image generation system, voice assistant, everything from telling you what's in a photo to generate text possible. In 2023, he left Google in part because he said he wanted to speak freely about the dangers of AI without worrying how it would impact Google. His opinion mattered because he isn't an outsider who had nothing to do with AI. He helped build the field. He is not anti-technology. He is pro-awareness. When such a pioneer says, I'm worried, we should listen. He believed that we were making a biggest basic mistake. We were trying to create an adult human brain, but we should be building a child's brain, one that learns through mistakes step by step. And that is exactly what he did. He invented something revolutionary called backpropagation, the concept that made deep learning possible. He won the Nobel Prize for this contribution. Backpropagation means when a system makes a mistake, it receives an error signal that travels backwards through all nerves, teaching them where they get wrong. That is how the AI learns, like a child making mistake and improving over time. Now let's take short of what AI can do today, because it's great. AI write text. We have seen tools that generate articles, blogs, even code. AI generate art, for simple sketches to detailed image. AI system can produce visuals from description. AI diagnose disease. These are systems that with medical imaging data or other inputs assist doctors in spotting illness early. AI drives car, for self-driving prototypes to advanced driving assistant feature. The speed of this revolution is faster than almost any technology in history. Here is a statistics. According to one estimate, there is now 10% to 20% chance that super intelligent AI would wipe out humanity in the next survival decades, and that estimate is from Hinton himself. So give all that, why fear it? What changes in Hinton's view? Here are some of the key concerns. AI system that learn faster than human can keep up system that train on our amounts of data evolves and adapt. We have created something we do not fully understand, said by Hinton. He worried that AI would develop its own goals or thinking patterns that are misaligned with ours. Deepfake, misinformation, manipulation at scale. AI does not just replace tasks, it can mimic humans, create videos of people saying things that never said, or produce content that manipulates beliefs. He also famously said, "I'm scared that if you make the technology work better, you help the misuse it more. I would be more worried that about anonymous killing reports." So the fear isn't just science fiction. Reports take over. It's also today's misuse, and that combined with tomorrow's unknown make it real. Now let's step into the big picture. The idea of superintelligence, or what sometimes called the AGI, artificial general intelligence, machine as smart as or smarter than human in every domain. Hinton says the timeline has shortened. He once estimated decades away. Now he says it would be much sooner. He told CBS, "I think we have moving into a period where for the first time ever we have things more intelligent than us." What happens when machines become more intelligent than human? Some key risks are: we may lose control. He decides that it may not be the big one moment but a slow drop. The machine gradually take our decisions, strategies, goal, the new. He cites example: more intelligent agent tends to control less intelligent one, which is a worrying less warning of tomorrow. It's not longer science fiction. In the view, it's something we need to take seriously right now. Now let's bring in the human side, the race for AI among corporations and nations. Tech giants like OpenAI, Google, Meta platforms are all competing to build the next generation AI model. The danger is innovation without ethics. When competition is about who gets there first, safety and alignment may get neglected. Also, countries like US, Russia and China is an AI arms race. Hinton warned, when profits and national advantage outrage corruption, but outdated become more likely. It's not just we can build it, but should we build it this way? The question of control, regulation, transparency, oversight, these matters. Deepfake and fake video used to fuel political hate, social division, and manipulate election. AI generated scams, hacking, privacy invasions. Once you have systems that generate and manipulate content at scale, personal data become dangerous. When data become more powerful than consciousness, and AI does not have more judgment unless programmed, so its action reflects the designer's goal, which may be misaligned or not are wrong. These real world issues cannot directly go to the higher level fears we talk about. Despite all these, there is a hope and solution we can pursue. Hinton called for AI ethics, regulation, global cooperation. We need frameworks to ensure AI is beneficial and aligned with human value. One key idea: human in the loop AI, meaning humans remain responsible for our sites, decision making, control, education, teaching people about AI misuse. Not only engineering but the general public should understand that what AI can and cannot do. Using AI for climate change, medicine, education, the positive side is great. For channeling correctly, AI would help solve big global problem rather than worsening them. For example, Hinton says, while AI will replace any intellectual task, sector like healthcare may absorb and benefit from the change. Business Insider. So yes, we must act, but we must also believe that AI can be a force for good if we stare it. If you found this video helpful, interesting, or even a little unsettling, consider hitting that like button and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.